Board on the chair, please. Stick the Ware sign in front of the green screen. A little bit back on the sign, that's it. You're late.
Sorry, long queue at the supermarket.
What's that you've got?
Oh, real bargain, isn't it? Special offer, dirt cheap. It'll last Charlie for months. Where can I put it?
Anywhere that's going to be off camera and not in the way. And what's this?
Oh, another bargain.
Oh.
Put it down here. Should be all right. Careful, I'm having an accident with the paint, but I got it in the bag and on the tray, so it should be safe enough.
Are we ready yet, ladies?
Just finishing. Be right up.
Well, it would just have to do. I'm ready. How does this look?
Perfect. Let's get started. You sure your lines?
Of course. There's just a few more teensy-ish changes I want to make. Nothing major, and I've already given the new scripts today. How are you going to do the actual wolfing? Some computer magic with this green whatever?
It's all taken care of. It will be realistic. Very realistic. Very realistic indeed. Just go over and wait for your cue, okay?
Thank you, darling.
Tables!
Here we go then. Positions, everyone. Lights. Camera.
Camera's rolling.
Action.
It's such a dark and spooky night in these lonely woods. I do so hope I will get safely to Grandmother's cosy cottage.
And cut. Can someone reset the breakers?
Are you okay? No, do I look okay?
Can someone please reset the breakers?
Easy.
He's getting his job.
Oh, I've had enough of this. I'm out of here.
Honestly, he's only laughing around. You know what Tom's like. He's just a big kid, really.
Well, I don't think it's funny. Just you wait.
How does that feel?
Not bad, but Katie would have done a better job. Just you wait, Thomas.
Oh, everything's going wrong. Now it's come apart.
Oh, don't worry, I can fix it.
We'll need it again shortly.
No problem, we've got some super strong glue over there. Put it on the table and I'll fix it as soon as I've done this. Uh-oh, here's trouble. Here comes the boss.
What on earth is going on here? Where's the director? What happened to the makeup lady? And who are you?
I'm Jim, stagehand.
That's it. As producer, I'm taking over. The Ware is the leading lady. We really need to keep filming.
She's the makeup, but she's in no mood to come out right now. I don't really blame her.
Yeah, I know. I've heard all about it.
Why don't we try that scene or try a scene where she's missing.
Yeah, the woodsman scene. There's quite a lot we could shoot there.
Tom wouldn't like it, but you know what it involves.
Well, that's just what we'll have to do. You go and get kitted up as the woodsman.
Okay.
Well, I didn't want her to fall over. It was an accident. You know that.
Still, we'll carry on then. Time is money.
But she's getting wound up at the moment.
So we'll just have to do a later scene without her. Maybe the wolf and the woodsman?
Oh, not that scene.
Sorry, Tom, it has to be. We just can't afford to lose any more shooting time.
It's costing a fortune as it is.
Okay, I'll go and get kitted up.
Hello, Tom. Ready for your next scene? Come on, then. There we go.
Yeah. Nerves.
Right.
Yeah, that's good.
Right. Nice and scary in that, isn't it? Right. Shoes.
Oh, shoes. Yeah.
How's it going, Tom?
All right. I'm just about ready.
So the wolf has run off through the woods. So, wolf, you go off screen this end, just out of shot. The woodsman is tracking the wolf, now dressed as Granny. So you go over this side, off shot, and I'll cue you. Ready and go. Big, slow, deliberate steps now. Study the wolf tracks on the ground. Axe in both your hands, ready for action. You've got your lines. You could run, Mr. Wicked Wolf, but you'll never get away from me. Your cue, Tom, is the word me. At that point, you come out, slowly, growling, and confront the woodsman. Okay, mask on.
Okay.
Don't worry your hand. There you go.
Right.
Stop making a fuss.
Good. First positions. Quiet please everyone. We're going for rehearsal. I think we'll film this one. Right, Woodsman. Ready and action.
You can run, wicked Mr. Wolf, but you'll never get away from me.
That's marvellous, Tom.
That's really good.
Get this bloody thing off me!